Oh man, y'all, this shouldn't be that long. This one shouldn't be that long. Look. Come here. Real quick. I keep saying I wanna make these damn beignets to my fiance. Today, we gonna make these beignets. But I ain't making them from scratch because I ain't good with dough. You hear me? Now look, we got the Cafe Du Monde beignet mix. You feel me? It's supposed to be the famous place in New Orleans to get the beignets. That's what they say. So look, we about to see how they taste. I hope it ain't just bread with sugar, and I hope it's easy to roll. But I ain't good at rolling the dough out, so this might get real crazy. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, y'all. All right, calls for 2 cups of the Cafe Du Monde mix. Slice this real quick. We got a little water in our measuring cup. It's all good. Okay. 2 cups of this. Let me see how it smells. Smell like something I ate before. It's like something like evaporated milk, oatmeal, something like that. Cream of wheat. That's what it smell like. It smell like cream of wheat. Yeah. Okay. We got a little over 2 cups. It's all right. All right, 2 cups of that. Then they say 7 fluid ounces of water. All right, so get out of there. 7 fluid ounces. That should be right between. That should be 4, 6, then 8. 8 is 8 ounces, you know, right between there. Let's get it. Get a little water. Gonna do a little swish. Right between. Let's see. I don't want it to be too watery. Stop shaking. Too much. I think that's about it. Then they say take a spoon. It does say mix it with a spoon. Okay. Bring this here. Seven ounces of water. Put this out the way. Stir with a spoon till well blended. It's looking real flaky. Oh, spoon that slipped out my hand. So well blended. It's looking pretty blended right about now. Okay. It's smelly. Smell vanilla-y. Alright. I think that's it. About mixed right there, ain't it? I ain't gonna overdo it. It's gonna get too sticky. That's why I suck at dough. I don't know when to stop. I'm gonna get a stand mixer too. Do we let it sit or anything? Nah. See. Roll. 1/8" thickness on floured surface. Alright, let's get this moved out the way, because that's about to be our floured surface. And to make sure this surface is dry, we're going to get our flour out of here. Try to not destroy the bag. Oh man, it always happens anyway. Didn't put a hole in it. Miraculous. Alright. Time to get messy. I'm gonna have to put my apron on. I don't want to put too much. Alright, I'm gonna try my best to not F this up. Inch. That rolling. Finger rubbing. Might be it. The fryer is heated. flour all in my way. Oh. Boy, it's getting shaky right now. Oh, that one too wide. All right, boom, boom. Here we go. The moment of truth. If I can get them off the damn counter, of course. Drop this. Come on, bro. The little bitch is stuck on the counter. Baste them. How long you supposed to fry it for? What's the box say, babe? Oh, they look like they done now. They stopped frying. Golden brown.
It doesn't say it's on. Until golden. Until puffy and light golden.
Like this. Sheesh. Spoony spoon. Alright, these Jones turning golden brown. It smell like a pancake or something, I don't know. Yeah, funnel cake, pancake type deal. I may have to sweep the floor. I'm taking big quarters.
Okay.
Yeah, had to send those to the homie across the street, you know. Gang, no. Oh, here we go. The stuffed ones. Getting to the stuck ones, the stuck ones, the stuck ones. I gotta unstuck them, y'all. Give me 2 seconds, let me unstuck them. All right. The rest is this. Some of these are edge pieces. Letting it all fry. Yeah. I think it's the next to the last batch right here. It's the final countdown. You don't smell good. I ain't taste one yet. But yeah. Like and subscribe, y'all. Like and subscribe.
Gee, so it tastes like a potato chip.
It tastes like a potato chip. Well, there goes my son's opinion. Maybe I fried his for too long or something. We about to take these out right now. Potato chip. Last batch right here coming on out, and we're gonna get the taste test. All right, now let's see how these drinks is. They probably gonna taste like Chinese donuts. It tastes like a funnel cake.
It's less puffy. That's exactly what it tastes like.
You do need some hot chocolate or coffee with it, though. Do the powdered sugar supposed to choke you?
No, you inhaled it.
The water's in the crib. You know it's banging.
Mm-hmm. You probably gonna end up making more today.
No, I ain't. Fuck that.
Mm-hmm.
I got a roast to make. She the one that ain't cooking, talking about making more today. She gonna make them. Fucking. Yo. Subscribe to the channel. I got an episode of roast coming up.